when the COVID-19 can go away. So boring by no traveling.
When you have a pet, it will never be boring.
It is parrot. It's so cute.
Her name is Little Rat. This girl is calm. He is little green. He's naughty.
Girls are all red and the boys are all green.
Yes, of this type of parrot.
Are they expensive?
I hear maybe $500 each in the market, but people like female more for babies.
Oh, that's a little bit expensive. I prefer standing in my study.
Come on, Wency. Why always study? You've so many classes to learn already. Piano, drawing.
I have studied same as you like your pants, Nikki.
You are killing me when you said study. I'm tired of it. I can only spend my time on this pad.
A lot of work there. Have to clean them every day?
Sure, they love taking baths because they pee and poo all the time.
My gosh, you feed them too much.
It's okay. No, they are just like babies. Need to grow up, it's okay.
Little is too fat. Near exercise. Little green is okay, strong but thin.
He's not behind. Likes to bite me.
That doesn't seem right. He is hungry.
Not biting things is a way for him to understand the world, but I haven't way to tie it yet.
You can try YouTube for listening how to check. It's because many results there.
All right, my princess. All right, my princess. Hi, by the way, you don't need a pet to accompany you as a friend.